Chapter 9 Prani and Pakshi or Animals and Birds. Animals or Prani: dog, kukkura; cat, marjala; cow, gau; camel, ushtra; bull, abha; horse, ashva; goat, aja; donkey, gardhaba; elephant, gaja; fish, meena. Birds or pakshi: crow, kaka; hen, kukkuti; swan, hamsa; parrot, shuka; peacock, mayura; crane, baka.